अच्छा, आपका शुरुआत इंग्लैंड की शुरुआत से थोड़ा डिफरेंस दिखाई दे आपको तो पता चल गया है, जिसका वजह है कि आपका स्कोर अच्छी नहीं बन पाया टेस्ट लेवल पर। इंग्लैंड का शुरुआत रहा अच्छा, उनका पार्टनरशिप जो 89 आप उसके विचार से आपका शुरुआत कैसा रहा?
डेफिनेटली जैसे मैंने शुरू किया, जैसे हमारी हमारी ओपनिंग में लॉस्ट विकेट इन द थर्ड ओवर एंड अगेन मेरी भी विकेट फिफ्थ या सिक्स्थ ओवर में चली गई। तो डेफिनेटली डिफरेंस तो था स्टार्ट में, स्कोर बोर्ड भी दिखा है डिफरेंस था। न्यूजीलैंड के बाद ऑल्सो दिस सीरीज बैटिंग कंसर्न्स, मिडिल ऑर्डर बैटिंग कंसर्न्स, how much room for experimentation is there with the batting order in terms of maybe using an all-rounder as a pinch hitter at the top of the order? Well, I think if you look at everyone's matches, the number of matches they've played is just 6 to 8. I don't think it's right time to experiment. I think we'll have to stick with some same batting order to at least look forward to giving them more game time and proving them. We should give enough chances to prove someone. Like when we came in the team, I don't think we started scoring in second or third match. So I think everyone will be getting their chances, and I think we are there to look to win the matches rather than experimenting. And that's what we think. And regarding the middle order pinch hitter, we'll definitely have a chat with Raman sir about it and then see how it goes.
Smriti Mithani the other day at the end of after the end of the ODI mentioned about Deepti not being used, at a stable position. What's your thought? What are your thoughts on Deepti playing in the ODI as well as the T20I side and the way she's being shunted up and down the order?
I think Deepti's been a batter for us, really important batter for us because she's been very flexible she's been very flexible to change the position for us. And I think in T20, I don't know about one day, but in T20 it's very hard to have the same kind of batting order because depending on the situation, we might send Deepti even early in for 2 or maybe afterwards. But I think she's a really important batter for us in T20, and hopefully, the way she batted today, I think she can take a game more forward and win the matches for India when it's like when we are just 20-30 runs short. The field, it seemed a little bit that your field placements were reactive, where there was a field going, the fielder was going there. Then England seemed to be taking advantage of where the fielder had come from. How was your fielding experience? How was your captaincy experience in the field? Well, definitely it was first time leading for India, and I had a good experience and a lot of takeaways from it. And I think as a captain, I need to learn from the kind of mistakes I did today because still I don't learn from it. I want to do as a player and as a captain. And regarding the reactive reactions of the field, I don't think it was regarding that. We had 2 sets of plans for each batter. And if the first plan wasn't working, we were going to the second plan. That was more major thing, and it wasn't because of the reactive where the batsman is hitting the ball. But definitely next time we'll plan a bit much better, and maybe I'll be much more proactive.
Your thoughts on the spectator turnout on the first T20I?
I think it was really good number of spectators come out. But I would expect much more to come, and filling up the whole stand, that would be a great feeling to play, and put up a good show for them to watch the match.
Yes. Last 160 looked like a defendable target. So 4 wickets inside 10 overs. Where do you think again we lost the match?
I think we lost in T20 I think 100 overs. I think 2 wickets should not fall in the span of like 3 or 4 balls. I think we lost our top 3 or 4 batters in the span of 3 balls. I think that makes a batting order look very thin. So next time we'll keep working on it, and I think it's important for us as a batting unit to take the responsibility to chase this kind of bowlers. And as a batter who has settled, I feel top 4 they have been playing for a long time now. So for me, Mitali, Jemmy, I think we'll have to take more responsibility back too, and take the team through, because we have to give a bit of cushion to the youngsters.
Last one. Smriti, how important do you think it would be on your part as a captain to give somebody like Harleen longish sort of a run, despite her relative failure in the first ODI?
Well, as a captain and as a coach, I don't think we look at the way they got out. I think the way she was batting, she was looking very positive and she was looking very good. So I don't think there's any problem in that. Even if she got out, because I just want the players to look confident when they are batting, and if they are confident enough, I don't look at what they have scored. So I definitely, I think, as I said earlier, that we won't be looking at too many changes just because of the one loss. And as I said, it's just her first match. To expect her to go out and get 100 is too much. So definitely she'll be getting 100.
Thank you.